we going?
We are
okay.
going.
I want you not to get my patient's face in this video. Okay. I got Misty on the camera.
Hi guys.
We got our patient we're gonna call Swede. Hi, Swede.
Hi.
How are you? Not very good, right?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell everybody what's going on, and then we're gonna kind of focus in on the spot. You have a big red spot on your scalp that we think is that your friend? You want me to get that for you?
That's not my phone.
Yeah.
That's our
Just swipe rejector.
Patient's phone, I guess.
Got
Okay.
it.
Okay, so you got a big red spot. We're almost certain that this is a spider bite, and I'm going to show you guys why here in just a second. But how many days has this been bothering you, Swede?
About 7.
7 days. It's just gradually getting worse, right?
Yes.
All right. And have you tried to squeeze this yourself or to get it to come out?
Not really. It's just been too tender.
Okay. And it's just got a lot worse today, and you came in.
Yes.
Okay. Have you had fevers, shaking, chills, anything like that?
Not that I know of.
All right. Okay. Okay, so we're going to stop the camera for a second. I just wanted, this is for the DW to see that I am leaving the collar on today because I took it off the other day and I got in big trouble. Yeah, I got in trouble for that.
I had nothing to do with it.
No, that wasn't you taking the collar off. Okay, stop. Okay, so now we've got Swede's face covered, so her identity is protected. But I want you guys to see, this is the scalp, and you can see the eschar. She's got the black spot there. That's actually an eschar. And then she's got the darker red here, and then all the way out. So she's actually very tender all the way out here. And if you can see over here, she's got a lot of erythema or redness and tenderness way out here. It probably doesn't hurt back here, does it? But the closer I get to this, she starts feeling a lot of pain. And if I push on it, it's actually what we call fluctuant, which means that there's some kind of fluid under the skin. So what we're gonna do is we're going to numb this up. Now I'm gonna have to use a little alcohol on you, okay? So this, you're gonna feel just a little bit of that. And real gentle. Now this part, there's no way around it. It's just gonna hurt. I'm gonna have to give you a little shot. Are you ready? You're gonna feel a stick, sting, and a burn. So here we go. Little stick, sting, burn. That wasn't terrible, was it? Okay, good. So we're slowly injecting some 1% lidocaine with epinephrine. And hopefully, we're gonna get enough anesthesia here where we'll be able to drain this and not cause Swede a lot of pain. Okay, going in well. All right. Now all we're gonna do here is we're gonna take an 18 gauge needle and we're gonna basically incise this with the needle. So we're gonna stick, yeah, there we go. See the pus coming out of there? You see that? Did that hurt?
No.
Well, guess what? You have pus. We knew you had pus because we felt it, right? So that little bit of pus, and I'm gonna just gently kind of push more. Oh yeah, we got more in there. See, be careful. That pus coming out of there. You are going to get significant pain relief. We just got a whole bunch of pus out of there. And there's more. Feeling okay?
Yes.
Swede's kind of a tough name, so I think with a name like Swede, you can handle it. But I don't want anybody to have any more pain than they absolutely have to. So one more little push here. I think we're gonna be good. Now, what we want to do is we want to keep this open so that it can continue to drain. So you're going to need to do warm compresses 2 to 3, maybe 4 times a day if possible. Okay? Yeah, we're going to get a culture here in just a second. And also, don't put any ointments on this.
Okay.
Because if you put ointments on it, then what that'll do is it'll block it, right? Actually up under the scalp there with that culture head. All right, if you block it, then the abscess will come back. You don't want that, right?
Right.
That's no fun. Okay, Swede, thanks for letting us video. Oh, I didn't ask. Do you mind if we video you for our friends on YouTube?
Not a problem.
All right, awesome. You're a great patient. You're gonna feel a lot better. We are gonna give you antibiotics and something for pain.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day, and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. Just got tested today and it was 5.4.
5.4.
And my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.